Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you the empties, expires and throwaways from my collection. This whole series was started on my channel a while ago, so I've already done like 6 videos on it. So basically it is all the products that I'm going to get rid of. Some of them are empty, some of them I couldn't use up. They're expired and they need to be thrown away. So this is the episode 7 in the entire series. In case you want to watch the other videos that I have done, I will link that playlist in the description box. And during the course of this video, I'll also give like mini reviews on the products. So if this video interests you, then keep on watching. Okay friends, so let's start with the video right away. So there have been a couple of issues while filming this video. Like I have been coughing like crazy. So whenever I start talking, I cough so much. So this is probably the third time I'm trying to film this video. So please bear with me. This video will be longer than normal because I have a ton of product to show you guys. So let's not waste any more time. I'm going to start off with face washes. The first one is Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. This needs no introduction, right? So I have shown this in my favorite product during lockdown. I think it works well for all skin types, especially oily to combination. ये काफ़ी सस्ता है, आसानी से मिल जाता है. So definitely this is a face wash I really like and I have used it up completely. The next one is Root Mantra Mixed Fruit Ayurvedic Medicinal Face Wash. I like this face wash, but I did not find anything fruity about it, like the scent especially. It was smelling like medicine, so I did not like the smell, and because of that, probably I would not repurchase it. Other than that, it is a good face wash, for those who have oily to combination or even any other type of skin, like dry skin. It does not dry out your skin, so which is a good thing, and it's also very inexpensive. It is 83 rupees and you get 115 ml. You get it in the chemist shop. So yeah, I would not repurchase this because of the smell. The next product is Blossom Coach's Aroma Magic. It is a white tea and chamomile face wash, and it is meant for all skin types. Like what it says, I would agree to that. It is meant for all skin types. It does not dry out the skin, and it does a fabulous job of cleansing. Moreover, it smells amazing. So I would highly recommend this face wash. So I will mention all the links in the description box from where you can buy these products and also the prices. So definitely check it out. I do have these refreshing wet wipes from Tulips. Tulips is a brand well known right now. It's easily available on Nykaa and Amazon and maybe Flipkart. So they do have like earbuds, then they do have cotton pads, and they do now have refreshing wet wipes. Now you get 20 wipes, and it says it's alcohol free, paraben free, and it is priced at rupees 56. Now I got this on discount because I got it from beauty center, तो 10% का discount मिलता ही है. Now I would say it is a good face wipe if you want to just wipe your face when you're sweating or something like that. But to take off the makeup, I don't think so it's that great. So I think it's an okay product, and I would definitely not repurchase. Okay, so moving on, I do have this facial oil from Suhate Essential. This is how it looks like. It's called the Flawless Skin Facial Oil, and you get 30 ml of product for 350 rupees. Now, I did receive in one of the boxes sent to me by some particular brand, I don't remember. Nonetheless, I have also done a review of this on my blog, so I will link that in the description box. This is basically an oil meant for those who have dry skin or normal skin. However, I've still been using it because I have combination skin. Like my skin is kind of weird. Usually it's oily to combination skin, but during winters it turns really dry. So that's when this oil really came handy. However, I'm really disappointed that I couldn't finish it off because I have so many products. So that is the reason why I always say buy only the product that you really need, unless you are a blogger and you have to review products. So I did not have to purchase this with my own money, but I'm still disappointed. I tried my best to use it, but I couldn't. So as I said, this is meant for dry skin, and unfortunately I couldn't finish it. So if you're looking for a facial oil, and if you are somebody who have dry skin, definitely go for this one. For now, this is a throwaway from my end because it has already expired. The next product I would like to talk about is Oriflame's Love Nature Body Lotion. This is the mint and raspberry variant, and I'm really disappointed and really heartbroken that I have to throw it out. It smells amazing. anything from this range, their soap, their body wash, everything is really amazing. So if you're looking for something which is fruity, which is refreshing, definitely try the Oriflame one. For now, unfortunately, sadly, I have to throw it out. Okay, moving on, I do have this product called P Safe. It's the toilet sanitizer spray. P Safe was ideally the first one who came out with this concept in India, I think, because I did not hear of anything like that before that. So this was then available on some website. I don't remember. They do have their website now. They have come out with a lot of products, like face mask, now the ones which we use during Corona, or they also have sanitary pads. So this is a decent one, I would say, a decent product. This is 99 rupees. I'm not sure if they have hiked the price, and this is 40 ml. It's a little bit pricey, but it's a good investment for somebody who is a woman. If you're a woman, definitely you need this. And other than that, if you're using like an English toilet, obviously, even at home you need to sanitize the seat, right? So this really comes handy. I wouldn't recommend this per se because there are other options available in the market. If I have to talk about this product, it's really good. I have used it up, so I'm going to throw it right away. The next few products that I would like to mention, the first thing is from Hip Hop. It is the cleansing charcoal no strips. I have mentioned this on my Instagram as well. If you are not following me there, definitely follow me. I will leave my Instagram handle in the description box also here on the screen. So ये बहुत ही अच्छा no strip है. If you're looking for something to take off your blackheads from the nose, this is the perfect option. And it's quite pricey, but I would say it's not as pricey compared to the other local brands, names I haven't heard of. I have done a lot of reviews of hip hop products on my blog way back in 2014 when they launched. Now they have become very popular, so I guess they don't collaborate with small bloggers. Okay, nonetheless, let's come to the product. I think it's really amazing. It has got that charcoal infused kind of strip, so it takes off your blackheads, whiteheads. However, if you have a lot of blackheads, I would recommend you to use this at least twice a month, because I feel that they come back, because my nose starts scratching after like 2 weeks. 90 rupees is the price of this. You get 3 strips. I think it's really worth buying. The next two products are from Oriflame, and the first one is the fragrance style cooling delight from Love Nature range. This is how it looks like. It's basically a talcum powder which you can use on your body, and I really like the smell of this one. It has a lot of a cooling kind of sensation on the body once you apply it. It also has like a lavender scent to it. It's very inexpensive. It is 79 rupees, and you get 100 grams, which will last you for like 3 months if you're just using it by yourself. So yeah, I would recommend this product. The next product is Oriflame's Activil Purifying and Protecting Antiperspirant Deodorant. It says 48 hours, so big claims. So let me tell you my review on this, because I have used it up completely, because I had to. I would never throw a roll-on deodorant, because I am a big advocate of roll-on deodorant, because how much also perfume you put on your body, if your armpit is stinking, it's just a waste. So you do need like a roll-on deodorant. This is the roll-on deodorant, and by what I mean is that it has like a ball to it, so you need to apply it under your arms once you have bath. The problem with this, it was very liquidy and watery. Although I like the scent, it was citrusy, but once you apply it, it will not adhere to your skin because it's quite liquidy. So I do not like this product at all, and I would not recommend it. Last but not the least, I do have this Enchantio Alluring Body Mist. It says 24 hours, and it has the most amazing scent ever. If you're looking for a deodorant, if you're a woman, you like these flowery kind of scents, then definitely go for this one. It does not smell like Pond's powder. Some of these deodorants and sprays, they do have that Pond's powder kind of smell, and I do not like that. It's like way too flowery for my taste. So this one seems perfect. This is priced at rupees 199. I think you get a lot of discounts on the Enchantio website. So you can go ahead and check it out. You can also buy it from Amazon. If I find the link, I will place it in the description box. So yeah, this brings an end to the whole skincare and all that category. And next category is going to be makeup. So please stay tuned. Okay friends, so let's talk about makeup. I do have quite a lot of them. The first product I would like to talk about is in the base category. So I have 3 products. And the first product is the Spins BB cream. I have done an in-depth review on my channel, and that video has got a lot of views. If you haven't checked out that video, I'll link it in the description box. So I'm not going to talk a lot about this product. Basically, it's a BB cream. It has low coverage and it is yellow tone, so it will suit most skin colors in India. Now, although it says that it has coverage, but I feel it does not have any coverage, but it will do a fabulous job of smoothing out your skin. So if you have a lot of pores like me, it will give you like a smooth base. तो आप इसको as primer use कर सकते हैं. You can also use it as a BB cream. BB cream generally have low coverage, so you can use this. You can use a little bit of concealer and powder, and you are good to go. So when you apply this, it gives you a really nice finish to the skin. I'm disappointed I couldn't use it. I have just washed it on my hand. As you can see, it's quite yellow tone, and once it mixes into the skin, it will give you like a smooth finish. Can you see the difference in both my hands? Unfortunately, I was not able to use this tube, so I'm really disappointed. I will leave a link in the description box on where you can buy it. It's easily available on Amazon. You can also check it out in your local मेडिकल शॉप्स, वहाँ पे भी ये प्रोडक्ट मिलता है. The next product is from ITEX Dazzler. It's their Majestic Makeup Stick. I've already done a complete review. Again, this video has got a lot of views. It's a request for you to you guys that if you're watching my videos, watch it till the end, because that way I'll increase my watch time, because YouTube is not monetizing my channel. I do have close to 2,000 subscribers, but the watch time needs to be like 4,000 hours or something. I don't know. Whenever I check, it's the same. So I don't know what Gucci they are doing, but I know definitely people don't watch my videos for more than 3 minutes. So if you are watching, please watch it towards the end. So as I was saying, please watch my videos towards the end. I will really appreciate it, and it will help me gain my monetization of my YouTube channel. Making videos is no joke, and I have been doing it for like over 3 years now, 3.5 years. I would really appreciate your support if you watch my videos till the end. Also, if you are watching my video for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you like my face, if you like what I talk about, or if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Moving on to this product I was talking about, it's the Dazzler Eterna Majestic Makeup Stick. I was not able to use it, and I'll show you how much is there still remaining. I'm really disappointed, but I am okay at the same time. This was sent to me in PR. इसका कोई coverage है ही नहीं. So I have done a review. Please go ahead and check that. I'm not going to mention it out here. If I have to swatch it on my hand, can you see how dry it's become? Because obviously it has expired, so it cannot be used. It's very dry. You have to use like an oil or a good moisturizer before you use this. But I did not find any coverage in it, so I'm definitely not repurchase, and I would happy to get rid of it. The third product is from Oriflame. It's the One Extra Lasting Foundation. Now can you see I've only used half of it, and half of it will go in the dustbin. So you shouldn't buy more than 2 or 3 foundations, because फिर ऐसे फेंकने में जाता है. This is really pricey. This is priced at 999, which is 1,000 rupees. But I really like the formula of this one. So it has good coverage, and it will also smoothen out your skin. तो ये pores ज़्यादा visible नहीं होते हैं. Sadly, I have to throw it out. But yeah, this is the foundation I would recommend if you're looking for a foundation from Oriflame. If it matches your skin color, then definitely go for the One Everlasting Foundation. Okay, moving on, I'm quickly going to show you 3 eyeshadow palettes. Now all 3 of them have expired, and I don't like them that much, to be honest. First one is from Blue Heaven. It is in the variant 602, so I'm sure you must have owned one of these. But this one is really nice compared to the other ones, like pigmentation wise. So I'll just do a quick finger swatch. Can you see that the pigmentation is very low? तो उसको मतलब आपको कोई आई शेडो क्रेयॉन वगैरह लगा के उसको पैक करना पड़ता है, नहीं तो ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं दिखता है. Can you see that how less the pigmentation is? And that is why I hate these eyeshadows. I think they have come out with new versions. Those are much better than this one. So this is the one I would definitely not recommend. The next eyeshadow palette that I have is from Giordani Gold, and it is called Smoky Grey. Now this is how it looks like, and it has got this huge mirror. तो ये ऐसा दिखता है. It comes with 4 shades which are very apt to do like a smoky eye. Now it looks nice, the concept is nice, the packaging is nice, but the pigmentation is not that great and it does not last on the eyelids that well. So I'm just doing a quick finger swatch here because I have not reviewed it anywhere. So this is how it looks like. Can you see that? There's barely any pigmentation, so you will have to really work with it, use it like wet, or probably use like a sticky eyeshadow crayon, तभी जाके वो stick करेगा. So it defeats the whole purpose of this eyeshadow then. And it's also very very pricey. I think it's 1,000 or maybe more than that. I'll mention it here on the screen. If you still like it, you can buy it, but it did not work for me and I don't like it, so I'm anyways getting rid of it because it has expired. The next eyeshadow palette is from Avon. Now, I haven't tried Avon products in ages. I remember when I started my blog in 2014, I used to review a lot of their makeup, and they never sent me any PR and stuff. But this I got in one of their events and I was really excited कि yes, finally मैं एक Avon का product try करूँगी, especially eyeshadow, because this was really pricey. Whenever I used to check their catalog, I should never go for this one. So this one is the Avon True Color eyeshadow quad in A501 emerald cut. So can you see that? The shades look really nice, like especially this one. Other than that, ये क्या है मतलब कौन सा कलर है भाई, ये दिखता ही नहीं है आई शेडो. So let me do a quick finger swatch if I can. So this is how it looks like. A very dirty olive green. It doesn't look nice at all. Look at this one. Like here it looks so nice, but on the finger it's like ew, no. Can you see that? It does not show up on the eyelid whatsoever. Like you literally would have to use like a sticky eyeshadow crayon, press it on. मतलब इतनी मगजमारी कौन करे यार. And these two colors are also useless, the first 1 and 2. Can you see that? It's like so chalky, powdery and not pigmented. So if you come across this eyeshadow, मतलब खरीदना ही मत, ये बहुत waste of money है. So I would definitely not recommend this, and it has expired, so I'm going to throw it out. Eye products, like oh my god, seriously, I have a lot of them. Let's go through them one by one. So the first thing I would like to show is from Blue Heaven. This is your expression sparkling eyeshadow. So basically these are like eyeshadow crayons, although I think at that point of time they were marketing it as like some kajal or something, but I think it's really useless. I mean, you can use this as a base to any eyeshadow. Like पहले आप ये लगा लीजिए finger से इसको dab कीजिए, and then put an eyeshadow on top of it. On its own, it does not last at all. These are really oily. That's the way I would like to explain it. I have already done a review on my blog. Again, go ahead and check it out if you want. So I'll just do a quick swatch. Here it looks really nice. This is one of the shades I really like, and this was number 5. So this is like a gold color. Can you see that? This is like a blue. So they have all the colors. It's still available on Nykaa and stuff. But can you see that sheen? Like it will really not look good on the eyes, and I regret buying these, and they have expired. So yeah, get out. I don't need you. The next two products are from Plum, and it is their Plum Nature Studio Kajal. So they had come out with these. One is a brown one and one is a green one. So I'm kind of disappointed with these. I have done a review and I have praised it a lot. They are nice kajals, no doubt, but as I started using them and sharpening them, they would dry out. Like look at this brown one, like it's sharpened, right? But if I swatch it on my hand, I really have to go through it, like, and it's become very dry. Well, now because it has expired, so obviously it will not work well. And the green one is really nice. I really like this color. It's really like a greenish blue peacock kind of color. So I would recommend these. But with the brown one, I did not have a good experience. So I would definitely not recommend it at this point because I have used it quite a lot. Guys, this is a Blue Heaven basic kajal. You get it for 25-30 rupees. Now let me tell you, I really like it. It comes like that, so you cannot put intense pressure because then it will break. But it's really nice. Like if you are looking for an everyday kajal, instead of going for those cheapo type of kajal which you do not know the brand name, nothing, na aage na piche, you can go for Blue Heaven. It's a cruelty free brand. It has a smell of camphor, so if that irritates your eyes, then don't go for this one. But I really like it. I would definitely repurchase it. For now it has expired, so I have to throw it away. The next one is the Lakme Kajal. This is the basic Kajal and the first Kajal probably I would have used in my whole life. This is priced around 75 rupees, but I would not recommend it. And the reason is it smudges like hell. So it has good pigmentation. You can use it for smoky eyes. Now it's a personal choice, but I do not like it because अभी यार इतने सारे काजल्स आ गए हैं. So this will definitely take a backseat because it definitely needs improvement in the formula. I don't mind, these kind of chubby sticks, but when you apply it, if it smudges, and it's a waste for me. So I really like my Stay Walkie Kajal. I like L18 Kajal. This is a Kajal I would not, repurchase, and it has expired. So again, it's going in the dustbin. The next Kajal again is from Blue Heaven. It is called the Herbal Kajal. This is a good Kajal, I would say. Not bad. And if I have to swatch it, can you see that? It has good pigmentation. If you are looking for an everyday Kajal, you can also go for this one. It's an Herbal Kajal. They say, I do not know इसमें क्या डालते हैं, बट ये कुछ 65 रुपीज़ का मिलता है. अगर आप एवरीडे बेसिस पे काजल यूज़ करते हो, आप इसको डेफिनेटली ट्राई कर सकते हो. ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. Okay, so moving on, I have two eyeliners. The first one is the sketch eyeliner from Itex Dazzler. It says Itex Dazzler eyeliner, color stay, and it is supposed to be waterproof, smudge proof, and all that jazz. So basically, it's a pen eyeliner. It's really nice, but I couldn't use it unfortunately because itne sare eyeliner hai. Also, I prefer pencil eyeliner because I like to smudge it and smoke it out, and somehow my liquid eyeliners take a back seat. I had got this in PR, but I did not get a chance to review it or use it or review it or even on my blog. So since it has expired, I will throw it away. But I would still recommend this because it's not that bad. Pigmentation काफी अच्छा है, but the thing that I don't like is it has this straight kind of tip. So you'll really have to work with it. But if you want to do like a winged eyeliner, it's really handy. So yeah, I'm throwing this one away. The next product I'm throwing out, but it is a really good product, is the Faces Canada Long Wear Eye Pencil, and the variant is, if I can find it. Okay, I cannot find the variant. I'll mention it on the screen, but it's a brown color. Look at that. It's beautiful and it's stunning. Like, you can use this as an eyeliner, you can smudge it, and it will not budge the entire day until you take it off. This is what I like about this kajal. It's a little bit pricey. I think it's around 400 or 500, but you can always get these on discount on Purple or Nykaa, so definitely check it out. For now, I have to throw it out. The next product is this VOV Magic Color Eyeliner Cake. तो ये अभी कहीं पे भी आपको नहीं मिलेगा, और ये मेरे कलेक्शन में बहुत टाइम से है. So this is basically like, it's like a powdery kind of product which you can use it. They are saying eyeliner cake, but I would say you can use it for your brows and stuff. This was in the variant 001. I also had a brown one. I'm not sure if I threw it out or if it is still there. If you find something like that in beauty center or any of your local shop, definitely go for it. इससे आप अपने eyebrows definitely fill कर सकते हैं. The next product is the Giordani Gold Bronzing Pearls, and this is in the variant Natural Radiance, and my heart is really going to break when I throw this away now because I was not able to use it that much. So basically they have these balls. Can you see that? It has this golden and pink kind of ball. So you have to swirl your brush in it and apply it on your cheeks. And it's a really amazing product. And it's one of the products of Oriflame that you must buy if you can afford it. I'm saying that because it's really pricey. So yeah, my heart is really breaking to throw it out. But since it has expired, I do not want to take any chance. So finally I have two lip products. Now I do have a ton of lip products and I have kept it somewhere in another container. Let's see if I would do a video on it or not. I'm not sure about it, but there are a lot of products. If it's possible, I will make a video on it. For now, I could find two in the whole stash that I had kept for this video. The first product is from In Color. It's their Matte Me liquid lipstick, and this is in the variant 415. तो ये बहुत ही पॉपुलर था जब ये शेड आया था और मुझे ये चाहिए था. I think 427 also was the one which everybody was going for. So I'll just do a quick hand swatch. So can you see that? I can show you. Yeah. Or let me show you here. Can you see that? It's a stunning pinky brown liquid lipstick. It is drying. All liquid lipsticks are drying, so you can use a lip balm and then you can apply it over it. and I had bought this for like around 220, I guess. They must have hiked the price by now. But whatever it is, if I find the link, I'll mention it in the description box. Now this has already expired, so I have to throw it away. The last product is from Blue Heaven. It's Expression Blue Heaven pencil in the variant 06. अगर आपको एक ब्राउन न्यूड लिपस्टिक लिप लाइनर काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट चाहिए लाइक अ जंबो क्रेयॉन, गो फॉर दिस वन. Let me show you the swatch. Isn't it beautiful? Now because it has expired, the formula has changed, but look at that color. It's really beautiful. If I have a chance to repurchase this, I would definitely repurchase it because it's a beautiful shade and it will look good on every skin type. Okay guys, so that brings me towards the end of this video. I have showed you all the products that I'm going to throw away now because they are empty, they have expired, so I have to throw them away and get rid of them from my collection. It's really difficult to throw products away, especially if you have a lot of them. So the only thing I would suggest is that buy products only you think you are going to use and finish up, because it doesn't make sense to buy so many products unless you're a beauty blogger, reviewer, YouTuber, influencer. Then you know want to try out different products, or in general you love to buy makeup, then definitely go for it. But other than that, I would definitely not recommend buying so many products and then wasting your money, because सब चीज़ महंगी है. Now during corona times, I'm sure most of you must have not bought a lot of makeup and unnecessary stuff, which is a good thing. So yeah, these are all the products I wanted to share in this video, and thank you for sticking around. If you're watching till the end, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.